Alright guys, today's September 23rd, doing a parking lot. These in particular customers did not want to do a full rip out. They wanted to do a resurface. As you can see, some of the parking lot is good, but you have some cracks. And there was cracks all over here. So this is called a scratch coat, which we're putting on. As you can see, there's some cracking. So we'll do like a very thin scratch coat. And what that will do is that will level off all the low areas and all the sunken areas. And we do this before we go pave. Just a filler course, very thin filler course. Yeah. Don't drop it in, place it in. We had to reset that manhole cover. That manhole cover was way low. So we took it apart, raised it up. And I'll shoot another video when we're done. All right, over and out.